Okay, this is Grandpa again, Corpus Christi, broadcasting live and in color, and I'll be comparing my Wolf .64 and my Marconi. I pushed my Marconi up again yesterday, or maybe not Sunday, maybe. I added 52 foot to the mast. I added 10 foot to the mast. Actually, it's about 9 foot 8, and got it up to where it's 52 foot to the tip, or right at it. And the .64 is 57 feet, I think. Still 5 foot lower. The Marconi's still 5 foot lower, but I was going to compare them with the current maximums at about the same level. Just see how they respond. Well, and so far that .64 is no match for this Marconi, and I hope I can prove that. I also hooked up my half wave Yagi gamma match radiant element, put it on the flat side. I want to check that out too. Got it up about 20 feet. This is March the 1st.
That's about right, Obama. Thank you. The United States is a global law enforcement. Hell, every president we've had since that, all the way back to the Reagan administration. Is that you, Mr. Jesse? Yeah, good morning.
I'm on the Wolf. I'm on the Marconi right now. There's the Wolf. I hardly ever can hear Jesse or his wife, Sue.
Well, I believe I am talking to Jesse.
Which Jesse you talking to there, Larry? I don't hear him. Are you talking to the one in Magnolia or the one in Conroe?
Jesse's still over in Cabo. He said he's got to go crank his antenna back up. He let it down because of the wind yesterday.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there's another wind answer there. Yeah, I meant Tom Ball. Good morning, Jesse. If you can hear Grandpa, I can't even hear you in my noise level this morning.
He went to crank his antenna up. We'll be coming in here in a minute.
All right. Well, I think Sue's got a fella up north, and they always got it that PDO2 pointed up north, doesn't she?
I don't know. Philip P2 is pointed southwest. I keep mine pointed northeast most of the time. I think Sue keeps hers pointed northwest. I'm not sure. I keep mine pointed west.
Hey, Philip, go to the flat side with me and let me check out this wire. I pointed it up in your direction, okay? Yes, it is not. Hello, come in. I'm on the flat side, broadcasting live and in color. Can you hear me now?
You're louder on rope when you're on flat side.
Oh, well, that's the way it should be, isn't it?
Oh, no, Philip, go to flat side. anyway, but when he went vertical and he went flat, I can hear him better. I don't know what's up with that. I think he's going to come around.
I can't split this little thing between the two of you, so that I'm on the horizontal now, Philip. If you can hear me. Yeah, that go back to vertical. I'm back on vertical now. That horizontal, that little wire needs some work on it. It's kind of muted down. It's not working too good. Yeah, I'm back on my Marconi now.